An investigation is underway tonight after racial justice artwork was vandalized at a local high school. The installation was found with gray paint covering the words equity and Black Lives Matter. This was at Tamalpais High School Tuesday morning.
KRON 4's Dan Thorne talked with social justice advocates about that defacing, and he joins us now live from Mill Valley with more on this story. Dan.
Well, Ken and Catherine, those advocates obviously upset by this vandalism, but say they are unfortunately not surprised. This artwork was meant to show solidarity with the black and brown community here in Mill Valley, and then someone decided to ruin it. These three doors represent the past, present, and future of black and brown people in Mill Valley. A history of racism is at the core of its message. A vandal felt that message was not important.
Why would people do this? Fear and ignorance. It's heartbreaking. You really feel the pain of people of color in our community.
They were very specific in their targets.
Two of the three doors were covered with gray paint. The destructive act was an attempt to eliminate the words Black Lives Matter and equity. Social justice advocates in the community say the defacing shows an ugly side of Mill Valley.
Mill Valley doesn't think it has racism. It's not a surprise. It's hurtful and disappointing.
Amber Allen Pearson says the kids at Tamalpais High School are her biggest concern. What sort of message does this vandalism send to children of color?
So for me, it's not about the paintings. I know and I grieve for all of the hands that made that, but the painting has served its purpose to highlight and point out the issues that are here in Mill Valley that people want to pretend don't exist.
The community has responded by filling in the gray paint with words once again stating Black Lives Matter. The sidewalk in front of the installation is also covered with fresh chalk, sharing messages of equality, love, and acceptance. Words they hope will echo throughout the community.
This is such a beautiful place to live. I would love to make it welcoming for everybody should be able to live in this beautiful, beautiful place.
Well, advocates again say that racist acts like this need to be stopped in this community, and they are hoping that effective oversight can come from the state. Ken?
Just curious, Dan, if there are any indications on who might be responsible, whether it could be students or somebody at the high school or somebody else.
Well, right now, investigators say that they are reviewing surveillance video of this area to hopefully identify vandal or vandals. It's unclear where this suspect is from, whether or not they're from this community or even from the high school community. But when we find out that information, we will, of course, bring that to our viewers. Ken?